Hey there, hope you guys are well. I haven't posted in a while just due to some problems, and I'll be working on something that I'm gonna probably be dropping on Friday, and also this video will be on about daily bias. Check the link in my bio for a bio site where we've got discounts and stuff. DM me if you want this PDF, this strategy. This I'm gonna be building a strategy based on this, so watch listen, take notes, backtest this on FX Replay if you link to in my bio. Best backtesting site in the trading space. So I'll be building a strategy around this, and yeah, let's get into it. It's gonna be short, simple, easy, quick. Daily bias. So it's a strategy that you use. So first, you use the daily time frame. You go on the day, you use the daily time frame. Okay, so you hop on the daily time frame. Next, you use the previous day candle and see if it's displacing higher. That's I don't know. Expect the next day to be bullish if it's displacing higher, and vice versa if it's bearish. If we're rejecting a low, expect the price to go in the opposite way of that rejection. Let's look at the PDF examples here. Displacement. No. First of all, we see the previous day candle mark high and the low. This is on the daily time frame, by the way. And then we see, okay, displacing. What do we expect the next day to be? Bearish. We can see the next candle, bearish. We can expect price to take out the next what? Daily low. That's our draw on liquidity. Next, when you see price rejecting, okay, see price rejecting that low, what do you expect? Price to go for the next daily high. That's our draw on liquidity. It's simple as that. We'll be going through some more chart examples, but as you can see, that's all. And even then, look, this day it displaced higher over, and then what do we expect the next day? Bullish. It's simple as that. It's easy, simple. It cuts out all the bullshit. It's simple as it gets. I'll be evolving a strategy around it. But yeah, let's go into some chart examples. Guys, let's go to some chart example. We're going back testing this example, and yeah, if you wanna, before we get into it, if you wanna check out my bio site, link in bio, DM me on Instagram, anything that you need help with, I'll help you guys out. And if you guys need help with PDFs, I'll give them to you for free. And yeah, if you wanna join my, if you wanna FX replay, got all these links, the link in my bio, join Alpha Capital Group, Funded X. You guys know prop firms with the drill. You guys know the drill. Prop firms are going down. These are the most reliable prop firms and stuff. FX relay back test. If you want the PDF, DM me on thingy. Let's go into it. So what do we do here? I mean, this one I wouldn't trade that next day because we're rejecting this low here, but also we have a bearish candle. So ideally, no, I wouldn't be trading. But if you are gonna trade, ideally I'm looking longs for the next day. What can we see? Look, bearish. Okay, we're rejecting lows. Again, bearish candle. Ideally, I'm not gonna trade. But if you are gonna trade, well, you expected price to go up. Longs. Again, even though look, if you can see, even though it's a bearish candle, but we're still on previous day's high, as you can see. These are our targets. We're on previous day highs. We're rejecting high indecision candle. Ideally, you don't want to trade, but we're not going to trade that. So next day, there we go. Now we've seen it. Next day, look, we displaced below this. So what can we expect? Next day to be bearish. What's our target? This or even this fair value gap. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Next day we're bearish too. Why? Because we displaced below previous day's low. Or can we expect price to go here? And this is our target. So we got this target right here and this target right here. Let's see. Prices. Okay. That day would have been a loss, but we move. But this one, I can't. Price is not telling us. It's not giving us any information. So ideally, avoid it. So next day, we remove these drawings so it's you don't get confused. We're rejecting lows. We're displaced above higher. So what can we expect for next day to be? We're gonna target this high right here. Boom. Even though we were bearish candle, we still went for still hit our target. Again, what can we tell? We're rejecting that high. Possibly I want to be bearish, but as in like I have experience with chart example with screen time, you won't have it. So ideally you don't want to be trading that, but if I were gonna trade that, I'd probably be bearish. My daily buys would be bearish. May possibly targeting this low. Let's go see. Came close to it, but we probably got break even stock. And again, you can't even win any other trade. Again, we're rejecting that high. Possibly, I would not be taking that trade because we have a bullish candle. So I'll avoid that day. But if we were to take it, I would be not high. Now, ideally, I wouldn't be trading that day. Again, we're displacing quite higher, but we're not getting past previous day's high. So ideally, I wouldn't want to be trading that day, but for sake of this video, I'll be long. So my target will probably be this day's high and this. Let's see. There we go. See, but as in like you guys won't have this because I've got chart experience and stuff, and I can use external factors. You guys won't be more advanced. You guys need to use the more beginner route. So ideally, you wouldn't want to be trading that day. I mean, at that day, you don't want to be trading. Okay, we're rejecting lows, bullish. Okay, what were we expecting? Price to go higher, probably targeting this and even this. These are our targets. Again, probably hit a sell that day, but it's alright, we move on. As long as the only way you can be profitable with trading is if you're winning more than you're losing, or the losses that you take are small, as in like your wins are more bigger than your losses. That's the only two ways of winning and trading. Again, you are gonna lose all the time. You're gonna lose. Ideally, this ain't telling me something we're kind of rejecting, so we will be bullish. We're rejecting these lows. Ideally bullish, so we're gonna go for previous day's high. Again, what day was that? Probably on Monday. Oh no, it's Thursday. But again, price did have a bullish movement, but we did have a high movement. Probably rubbish price action on that day. And then we're rejecting that, displacing higher. What can I expect for next day? Next day to go for that or this. These two targets. See? Boom. There you go. That's all I'm gonna go through for today. Go and back test this because I do have a strategy that's gonna come out on possibly on Friday or Saturday. I'm not sure. Back test this and send me over the examples over on Instagram, and I'll take a look and I'll score them 1 and 10. Ideally, this is simple. I'm not going to go more deeper into this, but I will on Friday. I'll be building a strategy evolving around it. But yeah, it's simple, easy, quick. Go through some chart examples. DM me if you want the PDF. And I think that's what I'll see you guys tomorrow.